Hello everyone, let's start how to calculate net profit with fixed error in Excel. So here you can see I have data and the product list with the sales amount, cost of goods sold and operating expense. So here to calculate the net profit, select the cell, use is equal to and select here the sales amount, then minus, select the cost of goods sold, then minus, select the operating expense. Press the enter and here you can see the net profit here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point to field below data and you can see the all product net profit here calculated. And in this case, suppose you accidentally delete the cost of goods sold column. In the net profit column, you will see the error. So I show you. So I select the cost of goods sold and right click on the mouse and click on the delete. And here you see the in net profit column, here the error showing. Now how it's fix it? To fix this error, just re-enter the correct formula using the remaining columns. I just double click on the cell and I just remove this error. And here I select only sales amount and operating expense and press the enter. Now select the cell, double click on this corner point and here you see net profit here calculated. Now let's see the profit status. So here I add one column, profit status. Then I select the cell is equal to, type here if, select the if function and here I select the net profit. Then use the greater than sign, type here the 20,000. Then comma, double quote, status will be high profit, then double quote, comma, double quote, normal profit. Okay, then double quote, bracket closed. So in this function, you can see if D2 means net profit is greater than 20,000, then profit status will high profit. Otherwise, the normal profit. Then press the enter and here see the high profit. It's greater than 20,000 net profit here showing. Therefore, status will high profit. Select the cell, double click on this corner point. Here you can see normal profit status showing the net profit less than 20,000. Okay. So let's see the one bonus trick with conditional formatting. So I select here the net profit column. Go to the Home tab in Styles group. Click on the conditional formatting and click on the highlight cells rule. Click on the greater than and here the greater than dialog box is open. Then here I type the 20,000. I select the color, click on this drop down arrow, click on the green field with the dark green text. After that, click on OK. And you can see the greater than 20,000 amount is highlighted with the green field color. Again, I click on the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cells rule, click on the less than. Now here I type the 20,000. So less than 20,000 with color. So I click on this drop down arrow and here I select the light red field with the dark red text. After that, click on OK and here you see less than 20,000 amount is filled with the red color that indicate the normal profit status. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.